Welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a photo. You can use your photos, and you can create that photo into videos. In that video your photo can talk. So this is like really cool AI tool. So as you can see, the AI tool name is d-id. By default it chooses this person, but you can use our own pictures. So if I click on the add, and if I choose the Iron Man image that I generated from Leonardo AI, it is also AI tool like midjourney. So we have image, and we also have a script. If you want, you can paste your script and you can choose different avatars, but we already created our own version using 11 labs. So let's go with that. So this is the voice that we created from the 11 labs. If I play this, it will sound like this.
This time travel thing that we are going to pull off tomorrow, it's got me scratching my head about the survivability.
Okay, so this is how it sounds. So let's click on the generate video. I'm kind of excited because the level of AI is becoming something else. So that's why I'm kind of worried, nervous, as well as excited. So let's click on the generate video. And as you can see, we get the video length is 17 seconds. Video name is new creation video, and I forgot to rename it. And we get 20 credits, I guess. And I think for each video we get 10 credits minus. So let's click on generate. Okay, so our video is generated. Let's play this and let's see how it is our output.
This time travel thing that we are going to pull off tomorrow, it's got me scratching my head about the survivability of all this. But then again, that's the hero gig. Part of the journey is the end. What am I tripping for? Everything is going to work out exactly the way it's supposed to.
So as you can see, it is like really scary. So but we got the output and it is kind of like really cool. I know some, but it generated totally from image. We didn't provide any video, so for that we have to give some applause. And if you want, you can download this, and you can share it directly on social media, all social media sites. And I will download it in my local folder. And if you want to delete this, you can also delete that. I think if we create a video, in that video we get 2 credit minus, so we have 18 credits left. I can generate 9 more videos. So I like this tool a lot. I can generate anything I want, so it is one of my favorite tool. It became one of my favorite tool. If you create project like this, please share with me. You can share this project on Instagram, and you can tag me over there. So I will be happy to look at your creations using these tools. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.